Hello, my name is Gina, and I'm here with the Base Foundation today to present Cultivate's newest feature, the Marketplace. The virtual marketplace is now a functionality on our Cultivate app that will allow users to sell and buy any produce available for sale at any of the partnering cooling units and cooling companies that work with Cultivate. What we'll be doing today is going through a short demo of the Marketplace feature through a series of small videos where you'll be able to navigate through the main functionalities of the Marketplace, as well as learning some tips and tricks on how to smoothen the process of working with the Marketplace. So to get started, we'll sign in directly into a cooling user account type. And we'll do that by adding in our login information, including our username and our password. Once we log in, we'll be able to access the app, and here you'll see the overall look and feel of the app is very similar to before. You'll be able to see your storage dashboard below, and you'll be able to see your analytics tab to the right of that, which has the farmer's dashboard. And now the next third tab you'll see here is the marketplace. So if we click into the marketplace icon, you'll now be able to navigate through the marketplace feature by scrolling through the list of produce that's available for sale. What you'll be able to immediately notice is the produce that's listed on the marketplace looks very similar to the look and feel of the storage dashboard. And that's because just as the storage dashboard, we use card items to represent the produce available for sale. So if you take a look at any one of these examples, you'll be able to see the information presented in any card, like the storage dashboard, shows the produce and the photo, as well as the time until pickup where the produce is still available and fresh. Now, the additional information you'll also be able to see is the owner of this produce, as well as their contact information if they've made it available. You can also scroll through and navigate the quantity of kilograms available for sale and the price per kilogram. You'll notice that the items available through the dashboard are separated by company and cooling unit. So below each label, you'll see the produce available at that unit specifically, and you'll be able to see the distance away from your current location as well. Here we can edit our location to make sure that it's based out of Nigeria. And then our page will refresh and we'll be able to see the full list again. Now, what I'd like to do is walk us through two sample transactions, one more simple and straightforward, and a second that's a bit more involved. So to get started, I will walk us through one initial transaction where, for example, we're interested in purchasing some of these grapes available for sale. So once we're interested in adding something into our cart, we'll click the add button here at the bottom, and a pop-up will appear on our screen where we can select the quantity of grapes that we're interested in purchasing. So we can increase here, maybe we're interested in purchasing 4 kilograms, or maybe we're interested in here clicking buy full crate to purchase all 21 kilograms. For the sake of this transaction, I will say that I'm interested in buying about 5 kilograms. And now we have the option to add this to our cart and continue shopping, or to add this to our cart and view the summary directly. So for the sake of this transaction, we'll go directly to viewing our summary, and the next page will be the summary of our shopping cart with the subtotal listed out as well. Here we can click continue, and we'll be able to see not only the summary information, but now also the pickup method. So the pickup method is important because it involves selecting how you're planning on physically picking up the crates of produce that you've purchased. And a pickup method is necessary for each individual cooling unit that you'll be purchasing from. So here we can select our pickup method, and it's one of 3 choices: picking up today, keeping in storage for a fee, or going through delivery. So for the sake of this purchase, we'll click pick up today, and a pop-up appears to let us know the location of this unit. Now we can confirm, and we see a summary of the marketplace fees and payment fees that tally up to our total that we owe. At this point, if you have a discount code you'd like to redeem, you can also enter it here and click redeem coupon. Now we'll process through this payment. We'll pay with card. And the next screen we see is a thank you for ordering screen. Here we can see our order overview, which is also available to us through the My Orders tab. And then we also see a summary of our pickup information. Here you can copy paste this address, and it also reminds you that in order to not accrue any additional cooling fees, you must pick up your produce by the end of the same day. Now, when we click Got It, we'll be redirected back to the main marketplace. So here now we can go through a second sample transaction where I'll be selecting multiple produce from multiple locations. So once again, we'll scroll through and we'll select items that we'd like to add into our cart. Maybe the first produce that I'd like to add is from Fruits and Veggies, Nigeria's Best, and I'm interested in selecting some cabbage from this crate here. So I can add a few kilograms of produce, and I can add to my cart and continue shopping this time. Now I can scroll through to find any other produce that I'm interested in adding into my cart. And I can see the list of names, and maybe now I'm interested in purchasing some guava. So here I will add a few kilograms. I see here there's 2 kilograms available, so I'll be interested in buying the full cart, and I'll continue shopping. So I will continue to scroll here, and maybe at this time I make my decision that I'm ready to check out. So now what you can see at the top right of this page is our small shopping cart icon, and it has the number 2 as we've added 2 items into our cart. So I'll click here, and I can see a summary of the items that I've selected. I'll click continue, and now you can see that these items are from 2 different cooling units. So when we click our pickup method, we have to pick 2 separate ones, one per unit. Maybe for unit test, I'm interested in getting my items delivered. So here you'll see, please contact the available numbers to arrange that delivery. And you can see those pieces of information under order details. And it's important to note that when you pick delivery, it depends on when that delivery is scheduled. So if the delivery is scheduled for 1 or 2 days from now, you will be responsible for storage fees up until that time. Now for the second unit, I'm interested in keeping it at storage. So I also see the summary information about its location, and I can click confirm. Now here, you can also access the delivery contact information directly by clicking View Contacts, and a pop-up will appear with all the contacts for delivery information for this company. You can copy paste any of these phone numbers, get in touch to organize your delivery, and then when you've completed that, you can click Got It. Just as before, we'll go through the payment process. We'll click Pay with Card. And now we're redirected to our thank you for ordering screen, where we can see the summarized information about our pickup methods, our produce, and so on. And now we'll be redirected back to the marketplace. Tune in for the rest of our videos to see the rest of the walkthrough and tutorials on how to use the marketplace feature.